How to downgrade iOS 26 to iOS 18 without losing any data, safely. You just updated your iPhone to iOS 26, excited to try all the new features. But within hours, reality hits, apps start crashing, the battery drains like crazy, and your phone just doesn't feel the same anymore. Now you're thinking, if only I could go back to iOS 18, where everything was smooth. Well, the good news is, you actually can. And you can do it without losing your data. Here's how. First, make sure you back up your iPhone. Think of it as keeping a safety net. So even if something goes wrong, your photos, contacts, and messages are safe. You can use iCloud or iTunes Finder for this. Next, you'll need the iOS 18 IPSW file for your iPhone model. Think of this as the installer, just like downloading an old version of software on your computer. You can get it from trusted sources like ipsw.me. Now, connect your iPhone to your computer with a cable. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Your device should appear on the screen. Here's the important step. On Mac, hold the Option key and click Restore iPhone. On Windows, hold the Shift key and click Restore iPhone. Select the iOS 18 IPSW file you downloaded earlier. Your computer will now start installing iOS 18 on your iPhone. It feels a bit like turning back the clock. Your device is rolling back to a time when things worked smoothly. Once it's done, your iPhone will reboot. You'll be greeted with the welcome screen. But don't panic. Just choose Restore from Backup, and all your apps, photos, and data will return exactly as before. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded from iOS 26 to iOS 18, safely, without losing your data.